Purchase Potensic Care. After successfully activating the drone, the Potensic Care purchase page will automatically appear. Tap Purchase to proceed. If you did not purchase upon activation, you can still buy Potensic Care within 48 hours of activation by tapping Purchase/Bind on the app's home screen. Or navigate to My Device, Care Service, Care Purchase to re-access the purchase page. If you fail to purchase Potensic Care within 48 hours of activating your drone, the service will no longer be available for purchase. When accessing the purchase page, you must first select the country or region where the service is supported. If your country or region is unavailable for selection, it indicates that Potensic Care cannot be purchased or used there. Potensic Care offers 2 service plans. Choose the one that best suits your needs. 1-year plan includes 2 replacements within the 1-year coverage period. 2-year plan includes 4 replacements within the 2-year coverage period. Tap Purchase, select your desired plan, and confirm your selection. Fill in the purchase information. Once completed, tap Next. Review your order details and tap Submit your order. After submitting, you will be redirected to the payment page. Choose your payment method and complete the payment. Upon successful purchase, you will receive a confirmation email of successful purchase. Return to the app and connect to your device while online. Potensic Care will automatically be linked to your drone. After successful linking, the care service is officially activated. Ensure to connect your device and link Potensic Care immediately after purchase. If your drone experiences damage, collisions, or other incidents before completing the linking process, you will not be able to link Potensic Care to your drone afterwards. Replacement procedure of damage. If your drone requires replacement due to accidental collision, water exposure, or normal wear and tear, navigate to My Device, Care Service, Care Replacement in the app and contact customer support for assistance. Follow the replacement procedure provided by customer support to return the damaged drone. Potensic will inspect the returned drone upon receipt. After the inspection, Potensic will provide a solution. You choose and pay the relevant fees according to your personal needs. Repair, Potensic will repair and return the drone. Replacement, Potensic will recycle your drone components and ship a replacement product. Upon receiving the new replacement drone, promptly link your existing Potensic Care plan to it, in order to ensure continued service coverage. Flyaway report and replacement procedure. If your drone is lost, navigate to My Device, Device Information, Flyaway report to submit a flyaway report. Ensure your mobile device is connected to the remote controller and is online. Carefully read the information provided on the Flyaway report page before proceeding. Select the date of the incident and confirm whether to mark the drone as lost. Once the submission is successful, you will receive a Flyaway report confirmation successful email notification. The related drone will no longer be operable or capable of flying. After completing the steps, promptly contact customer support for further assistance. Please complete the replacement service process and pay the replacement fee. Once payment is successful, Potensic will ship the replacement product. Upon receiving the new replacement drone, promptly link your existing Potensic Care plan to it, in order to ensure continued service coverage.